she will do it if she pledges to me. I do not value a button, a lady who is such that she takes one and leaves another. That is not courtesy at all. Often she lends a quiver, no man tires of it, in my opinion, for she is very merciful. I know this well and many others do too, by my faith. I would not give a slow plum for her love, even if she makes me collar and leash. Why would I hide it from you? When I see her, I hold it as a burden. If I could do otherwise, do you know why? May God who keeps me give her what befits her. It has turned into strife. The beauty that she had in neither borax nor dye does her any good, and it is right now. For youth takes its own path, and it appears well to her reef who sees her. She behaves badly and will do worse forever. Up, up.